Welcome to the Minnesota First LEGO League Challenge Coach and Video Series by High Tech Kids. In this series, we will cover information coaches will need to be successful in guiding their team. Please take advantage of these training resources and don't hesitate to reach out to us with questions. We hope that these videos give you a strong foundation for your FLL coaching career. Video 1, Introduction and Team Resources. Who is High Tech Kids? High Tech Kids is a local Minnesota nonprofit. For more than 25 years, we have partnered with FIRST to bring First LEGO League Challenge to the state of Minnesota. Over the years, we have also added First LEGO League Explore and First Tech Challenge. High Tech Kids and FIRST work together to make these programs successful. High Tech Kids manages all official events and training for these programs across the state of Minnesota. We coordinate all the Minnesota tournaments, we recruit and train all the event volunteers, and we host coach and team training sessions, as well as enhance the team experience through exciting events. As a note, FIRST partners receive $13 for each FLL Challenge team in their region from FIRST. No other compensation is received for FLL Explore or for First Tech Challenge teams. FIRST, or for Inspiration and Recognition in Science and Technology, manages these robotics programs. The First LEGO League programs, which are First LEGO League Discover, First LEGO League Explore, and First LEGO League Challenge, as well as the First Tech Challenge program and the First Robotics Competition program. FIRST is a nonprofit based out of New Hampshire, but it is a global nonprofit. They manage the national team registration, all of the participant consent and release, and coach background checks. They manage and develop the yearly game and rules to each one of these programs. They also host a world championship in April. FIRST partners with organizations around the world to manage their programs locally. High Tech Kids is that organization in Minnesota. Their strategic partner for First LEGO League is LEGO Education. They work closely with LEGO Education to do some of that game development for the specific LEGO programs that they offer. So let's talk about finding FLL Challenge coach information that is specific to Minnesota. There's a lot of information out there, and in Minnesota, you're going to find and receive information in three main ways. You can go to our website, which is hightechkids.org, and find information there. Through email, this is our main form of communication with coaches, so I highly encourage all of the coaches to subscribe to our First LEGO League email subscriptions. And then through coaches training, we offer a wide range of coaches training and training videos for coaches in Minnesota. Let's dive a little deeper into each of these, but know that if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. To ensure that you are up to date on all the Minnesota-specific information, subscribe to our FLL Challenge General Newsletter and the FLL Challenge Seasonal Newsletter. Each season, we create a new newsletter, and coaches must subscribe each season. Please note that this is our main form of communication with coaches. Tournament information and any important updates will be sent out via email to the coaches. Another way to stay connected is to follow us on social media. We push information out via our general Facebook page and our Minnesota First LEGO League Facebook group. All of our videos from our trainings or awards ceremonies can be found on our YouTube account. The High Tech Kids website is full of Minnesota-specific information. The First LEGO League Challenge page can be accessed by choosing First LEGO League Challenge from the program's drop-down menu across the top, or clicking on the First LEGO League Challenge photo bar across the middle. On the right, you can see the Minnesota First LEGO League Challenge landing page. Notice that the bars in navigation have turned red, which means you are in the right place. On the High Tech Kids First LEGO League Challenge landing page, you will notice that the navigation, all of the links correlate to First LEGO League Challenge specifically. Let's talk about a few of them. The yearly challenge link. This will give you all the seasonal guidebooks, the robot game rules, the judging rule books. You can also find the Minnesota-specific judging process, as well as the Minnesota robot game scoring app. Be sure to check out the training and workshops, as well as the team resource pages. And note that our tournament schedule is typically finalized by late summer. Let's dive deeper into the FLL Challenge coach training and workshops. High Tech Kids offers a lot of support to Minnesota coaches, and most of the training is free of charge. Training opportunities for Minnesota coaches include the training video series, which are 5 to 10-minute user-friendly videos that are specific for Minnesota coaches. The free yearly coaches training, which is offered both in person as well as online and is for every coach every year. During this training, we cover the seasonal theme, the new robot game, and any programmatic changes. We also offer an extended yearly coaches training session specifically for rookies and second-year coaches. Our Zoom coach support calls are intentionally scheduled after teams have begun meeting. Coaches are able to bring those really hard questions that the team asks to these open forum sessions. The Spike Prime workshops are for adults only. You will learn tips and tricks that are specific to First Lego League, as well as ideas on how to teach your team programming concepts. Research workshops are for teams and are typically scheduled in October over the MEA weekend. High Tech Kids gathers local experts related to the seasonal challenge theme for teams to talk to and learn from. Thank you for taking the time to coach. We know that coaching can be a bit bumpy and challenging, but it is so rewarding. High Tech Kids is here to support you and your team's journey, so don't hesitate to reach out to us with questions. Thank you for watching our first introductory video in this training series. The next video in this series is, what is the First Lego League Challenge? Hope to see you there.